Welcome to the teacher preview for this Google Slides. This one has to do with numbers 1 to 20. And on all of my Google Slides that I make for Google Classroom, I do include direction videos on the first slide and sometimes throughout the presentation to show your kids exactly what they need to be doing, expectations, and any tricks for the technology side of things that they need to know. So all they do is click the play button and then they can see me manipulating my screen. For the first section, we're putting bugs into jars. So each jar has a different number, and all these numbers are under 10. So what they're going to do is they're going to take this bug, they're going to click it and drag it into the jar to match the number that's on the lid. So this one is going to be 6 bugs. And once they get to 6, then they move on to the next jar, do 3, and the next jar is 5. So we have a couple of slides, all under 10, for them to practice this. For the next section, they're going to be counting animals, and these have to do with numbers between 11 and 19. So again, there's a direction video for them to watch, and then they're going to count the animals, and then they're going to move this yellow highlighter circle to the correct answer over here. So if we count these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. They're going to then click and drag this over top of the 13 to answer that. There's a couple of these for them to practice. And then the final section of this is moving the numbers in order, and we're dealing with teen numbers here. So anything between, well, we are moving with 11 and 12 too as well, but we are doing 13 through 20. So they have a direction video here to show them what to do, and then they're going to have an engine, and then they're going to put the rest of the numbers in order after that right on top of the tracks. Like so. When they do that, there are 3 of those to practice. And then of course there's an answer key for you. You can print this out and have it next to you, or just have it on a computer next to you as you're grading their Google Classrooms. Just remember to delete this before assigning this to your students.